A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill details on the Orange app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Orange app. Launch the Orange app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or my bill section in the main menu. This is usually found in the account overview. Step 4. View bill details. Tap on the billing section to view your bill details. You should see a summary of your current bill, including charges and due dates. Step 5. Download or share bill. If you need a copy of your bill, look for the option to download or share it. This is often represented by a download icon or a share button. Sometimes, the bill details may not load properly if your app is outdated. Make sure to check for updates in your app store. I hope this helps you easily check your bill details on the Orange app. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.